Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a sleek data encryption and key management dashboard using Tailwindcss. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautiful and functional dashboard like the one you're seeing on the screen right now. Let's start by setting up our main container. We'll use a Flexbox layout with FlexColumn to stack our elements vertically. The container will take the full width and height of the screen with a light gray background and some padding. Next, we'll add a white, rounded, and shadowed box inside our container. This will serve as the header section of our dashboard. Inside the header, let's add a title for our dashboard using a bold font and gray text color. Let's add a horizontal line below the title to separate the header from the rest of the content. Below the header, we'll create a grid layout that will adapt to different screen sizes. It will have one column on small screens and 3 columns on medium and larger screens. Let's add our first grid item. This will be a card with a rounded border and centered text, displaying the name of an encryption key. Now let's add a second card for another encryption key. Notice how the grid layout automatically adjusts to accommodate the new item. Add a third card to complete the first row of our grid. Each card represents a different encryption key. To make our cards interactive, let's add a hover effect that changes the background color when the user hovers over them. Let's enhance our cards by adding an image to each one. We'll use the placeholder .coapi to generate placeholder images for now. Add a Manage button to each card. This button will have a focus ring for accessibility and a slight margin at the top. Let's add a fourth card to demonstrate how the grid expands to accommodate more items. Add a fifth card to further demonstrate the flexibility of our grid layout. Finally, add a sixth card to complete the second row of our grid. This demonstrates how the grid layout continues to adapt as more items are added. Congratulations on building your data encryption dashboard. Today, we learned how to use Tailwindcss to create a responsive and stylish UI component. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you next time on Tailwind.